Pull out.
Got it. Oh, that's cool. Me too. This one is a...
Pull out.
Okay.
This one pull out. Right?
Oh.
So you don't have to,
Yeah, that's right.
Because it's not very deep also, that's why I all make pull out.
Yeah.
And this one also pull out. This one here also pull out.
Okay.
This one also pull out.
Oh.
All pull out.
Wow. Very good design.
Then there's the flower. This one also I severely add on.
Yeah.
Severely buy.
Do you want to demonstrate the...
Huh? This one?
Yeah. Wow. Yum. And then...
But this side I have to change. I have to change the different.
I see.
Yeah, the food grinder is here.
Alright. Ah.
So this side you pour waste or chicken meat, bone, whatever, you can grind.
Wow. So cool.
Yeah.
So here is the cooking area. Yeah. And got a
steam part of the kitchen.
That's right. Yeah. So last one we go to